Very happy morning, students. We are ready with one question which is related with our second chapter, that is forms of business organization. And here we are going to discuss one question which is related with somehow with our own understanding. We know about different forms. There are 5 forms of organization when we are talking about private sector: sole proprietorship, partnership, joint Hindu family business, cooperative society, and joint stock company. Now, here one question which I have written on the board, as you can see here, that is we are going to discuss, which is related with the name of the company. Okay, let's come to the question. The question is, how can you identify from the name of the company whether it is a private company or a public company? That means here name of the company will be given, and just by looking at the name of the company we have to decide whether the company is a private company or a public company. But before coming to the question, just let me make one thing clear to you. Whenever we are calling about naming of the company, there are certain formalities which has to be completed by the company. For example, if I want to decide the name of my company, there are certain restrictions which I have to follow. What restriction? For example, the name should not resemble with the name of some other existing company. Suppose if I write name Nike and Nike. As you can see, the pronunciation is almost similar, and suppose this is one of the existing brand. I can't name my company like this because the people will get confused and this will resemble the name of some other company. So this is such type of name is not approved. Similarly, if I want to give the name of a company, it should not match with the name of the government company, or it should not be resembles the emblem of the government, because anyhow it should be free from such controversial issues. So one thing is that. Secondly, when we are talking about naming of the company, sometimes it happens that we are having no idea what is the name of, whether the name whatever I am deciding, the same name is existed in the market, some other company is there in the market the same name. So such situation may arise. So what we will do in this case, whenever we will go to registrar for the naming, first of all, one proposed name what I have decided for my company, that way I will give. It will be very good that there should not be any controversies with the name. That name will be approved. But what happens? But if the name will resemble or similar to other company, or it is related with some other government company or some government emblem and all. So what we have to do in this case? The registrar will not call us again and again and tell us to rename the name which we have proposed. So what we have to do at that time? First of all, one name we have to give, which is the proposed name, and except that 3 more names I have to give according to my preference. That means if the proposed name is not accepted, 3 more names are there. Suppose first name is the first preference of mine, then second name will be second preference, and third name will be third preference. So that the registrar will decide that which name is going to be approved. If the proposed name is not there or the first name is not there, then there are 2 more options present over there. So this is the process for deciding the name. Now, in this question, as you can see, the name of the company is given and we have to identify whether the company is a public company or a private company. Let me write the name first. Suppose name is ABC Limited. I am writing 3 names: ABC Public Limited and one more name, ABC Private Limited. Now, these are the 3 varieties and you can get any of these names. How can we understand which one is a public company, which one is a private company? If you see very closely to the names, in the second case, it is written ABC Public Limited. So this public word will help us to understand that the company is a public company. So this particular thing we have to be careful for. So if Public Limited, okay, one more thing is that limited word is really having a lot value. Limited word actually shows the limited liability of the shareholders. We know that in case of sole proprietorship or partnership, if the loss is huge that time, the owner has to bring the money from their personal resources and settle the claim. But here in case of joint stock company, we are not at all required to bring the money from our personal resources if we are the shareholders. Here the liabilities of the shareholders are limited till their investment. Whatever they have invested, their liabilities till that amount only, not more than that. So that is why this limited word is written after the name of such companies. Now as I told you, just be careful for this word public. If the word public is there, it means that this company is a public company. So what is written? ABC Public Limited. Clear? Now come to the third name first. ABC Private Limited. Again the same thing which we have done in the second case. Public means public company, and if the word private is there, that means it is a private company. So what you have to see, if with the name public limited is word given, it means it is a public company. If with the name private limited given, it is a private company. Now come to the third case. As you can see here, with this one, no word is given, neither public nor private. Then how can we understand that this company is a public company or private company? We can understand. If anything is not given, neither public nor private, it means that it is a public company, because it is compulsory for a private company to add the word private limited with their name. So this one is very much compulsory. In this case, public company are having the liberty, they can add the word public limited or they can simply write the word limited. So both are okay in their case. It means that these two are public company. These two are public company and the third one is private company. So you can see now, just by looking at the name, we can understand which one is a public company and which one is a private company. Hope so the question is clear to you. Now you can identify just by looking the name whether the company is a public company or private company. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.